Hi everyone, this video to tell you that I decided to stop this prototype. In the next YouTube video to come, I will start building and improve Z80 computer. You can have an overview in the description below explaining the change to come. But I won't conclude this first computer version that I made by coding one last demo. Thanks for watching.